This electric car helps its owners earn $350 a month through crypto mining. Sticking with the crypto segment of the show, there's a mining rig inside of this car.
Kind of, yeah.
Is this real, Will?
That's what this company's trying to do.
Are you scamming us right now? Spiritus is an electric car made by light electric vehicle manufacturer Daymac. It manages to mine $350 per month in crypto.
Mm-hmm. So I think it was like $11 a day.
How? According to... Okay. The company live streamed its Spiritus prototype and its real-time mining profits through a dedicated website, which showed an average of $11.83 of daily profits as the car earned over $350 by the end of the month. It's mining Doge.
Is it?
The car for a cryptocurrency platform to mine Bitcoin,
BTC.
Doge, Ether, and other digital assets. Okay, I don't know what they were mining specifically. It probably says in here somewhere.
So I guess this is his reason for it.
Okay.
Basically, yeah.
The average commuter car stays idle and depreciates for 23 hours a day, suggesting that having the car work while idle is a way to offset its cost and avoid it just depreciating. He said that the Nebula Miner is projected to offset or even fully recover the monthly lease payment, making it the most affordable electric car ever.
I don't know about that.
So there's a tiny little mining rig inside of there.
Essentially, that's running 24/7 or when you're not driving.
So doesn't this have to do with electricity costs though still, right? Because you'd have to be recharging the car at a rate that made it feasible. I'm sure they've figured all that out. And then of course the value of whatever crypto you're pointing your miner at and whether or not it's still a profitable thing to do at that moment. But anyway,
so they're taking pre-orders right now.
Cool idea, yeah. Car pays for itself, the Spiritus. It's a free car, Will.
Oh, yeah.